That's really good. There's no harm if someone's like on drugs,
I was just wondering about the precautions to take when somebody overdoses, because being a teenager in today's society, there's a lot of drugs going around, so it's kind of good to know those things.
Before I go to post-secondary school, I want to know all the risks and stuff about them before I jump right into partying and all that stuff.
I'm Jerome Sparks, and I teach Science 10 and Physics 11 and also Oceanography here at Coimbra High School. The precautions about drugs and then what actually happens and the consequences of doing drugs is very important for our students nowadays, because a lot of students are in that phase that everything needs to be fun, so everything is talking about recreational, but we have to understand that a lot of stuff is physiologically and psychologically detrimental to some of the students' health.
A pharmacist will show you how to use an naloxone kit.
A lot of the drugs are usually prescribed, and so when you see prescription drugs, you probably think, oh, it's safe, people aren't overdosing or people ain't overusing it. So I think by them having an awareness of some of the symptoms and some of the things to look out for in the trigger signs, I think it's just the knowledge is going to be key to them.
They're so addictive, and that's the issue. And we're not really aware that when we're going through middle school and someone says, try this pill, and they pop in, next thing they know, they want to do it the next day and the next day and the next day and the next day.
If we know all the facts, when we have kids and all that stuff, we can teach them younger than we got taught this stuff, so they can grow up in a better life. I feel like parents should know a lot of these facts too before their kids jump into high school.